And this is our new friend, Norman. Alright, so today we are going to make craft tube binocular. So let's get started. This is the paper rolls and then 2 papers, palette, glue, and some colors. Here's your paintbrush, towel, water, string. So first, choose your color. Alright, Norman, what's color is your favorite colors? I want blue. Okay, let's get blue. Norman, my friend, she said blue. Okay, put blue, purple, green, and pink. Okay, so first take your paper roll and choose your paintbrush. Right now I'm gonna pick the big paintbrush, so it's much easier for me. Put a bit water. Let's get for blue. My favorite colors: purple, pink. Okay, so once we're done with the color, so first you just put the glue and then this one stick together like this. Okay, and we need this paper on the top of the pinnacle like this, and we go for another paper. We do the same. Alright, just let it dry. I'm gonna make a flower with purple. You can create your name here. I put my friend's name, Norman. Hi Norman, this is for you. Are you happy? Okay, we are finished. So try, put it inside your neck, and you can play hide and seek with your family with this binocular.